This is the Iron Trader. It's about 4:23, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not recommendation to buy, selling stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, on the end of the video, all your support and resistance levels will be posted. Also, your EIA report is also posted. I'll be out of the office first thing in the morning, so the video will be a little bit later than 8 o'clock, probably around the 9 to 10 o'clock area. All right, let's go take a look here at crude. Now, crude had a really nice day today. It broke above the key 83.30 and above this candle here, which is 83.53, since I've been pointing this out here, all the way from this downside area right here. Okay, so then what we want to do is always want to look to the left here, see where it's going to go here. So we just follow the candlesticks all the way across here. This looks much higher here. So when you're good on the weekly and your monthly chart, I'll show exactly where the key resistant levels will be here. So we just want to look to the left here and just to see exactly, see how this can go right up here. So you got what do we have here? You got 84.98 here. You got 87.51 here. You can come all the way to this retest here of 93.74 very easily right here where you put the double top in here. But there's the 100 SMA here on the weekly and the 21-day SMA here on the monthly that I'm going to show you here in a little bit. Okay, so what we want to do is look on the downside here. So we want to look at this level right here. First of all is your 83.53. Then we're going to have your 83.30. If that's lost, we're going to come down to your nice 8 SMA here sitting at 82.20. Now again, your key level here is going to be your 21-day sitting at 79.11. Then we have your 200-day at 76.80. Then we come down to your 100 SMA, 74.41. And then we have your key 50 SMA at 74.21. This is looking very bullish here. Once we had the breakout right here, okay, once we had a right up here, this candle here, then she's just rolling up really nice high. And you cleared this key resistance level here at 83.53. So this looks much higher. Now, if you look at the RSI here, you still got the negative divergence going on here. But again, if this can push on up here to even level with this or higher than that, then that negates that whole pattern right there. But you always want to be aware of your RSI here. Now, this is looking really good here. Your green is still above your red. That's very positive. Once it turns here, well, then not so much. Okay, so let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, here you are, nice weekly chart. So what we have here is your nice closed above the 83.53. Now, your next resistance, and this is going to be key, it's going to be 85.52. That is the target that we're looking for. If it can get above that, then we come right over here and look at this 21 SMA here. You're looking at 86.30. That would be your upside target. So these are the two ones that you want to look at right now. Again, if it closed above the 21-day, then I'll have all the next resistance levels all posted for you. So no worries on that. But just watch this 21-day and this 100-day here to see if you can get through or is it going to be rejected. Okay, so we have a really nice, lot of nice green candles here. Your key support here is going to be this 83.53. You have your 78.29 right below it. You have a really nice crossover here on your 8 SMA here at 76.66 over your 21-day at 75.05, looking to go above your 50-day. Very bullish chart right going on here. RSI, plenty of room to run. MACD, plenty of room to run here. And on your monthly chart, also very good. Okay, so let's take a look here at the old Nat Gas. Okay, Nat Gas, here we have your weekly and your monthly charts here. Now, today you went up, you got as high as 3018, okay? And where did I say it was going to go? This candle right here, sitting at 3027. So look how nice that is. See, that was your target, okay? So now, if it can go up higher here, your target is going to be right here, this 200 SMA sitting at 3.766. You got your 50 SMA right above that at 3.96. And then if you can get higher, you can get up to your 100-day. But let's not get too, right excited right away with that here. So what we want to do is your on a monthly chart here, you're really nice above your 8 SMA here now. So you have your 100 SMA here going on here. You got your 50-day SMA, and then we have your 200 SMA right above all that here. But the key level is still going to be, you need to close above this key 3027. If you can, then we can just work yourself right on up here on your weekly chart at 3.76. That would be your upside target here if you can get above the 200-day on your daily chart. Okay, so on the downside, we want to watch that key level right here, 2.87. And if that gets lower here, you had a really nice cross here. So you want to look at your 8 SMA at 2.69. And then we want to look at your 2.43. That would be your downside action. Your upside action here, well, we want to go take a look at this 302. And then we can just keep on going as high as we can here. Nat Gas had a really, really good day today, good breakout day. Looking really good. I scalped the boil today, and I think I got like 8 points out of that today, scalping it. I scalped it twice. Okay, so let's take a look here on a hourly and a 4-hour chart. Okay, here we have your hourly chart here. You can see that was the left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders pattern, and boom, break right on out. Came right down, retested, broke right above, and just kept right on going. Went up to right there, that 3018, very, very nice. Now, on the downside, you want to watch this 8 SMA sitting at 2.96, and then you come down here, 2.86, and you can come all the way down here, 2.79, then your retest is 2.77. Looking very, very bullish. You had a nice series of lower highs, and then when this thing ripped up here, had a real nice double bottom here at 2.45, gone right on up here, right up to where the target was going to be, or pretty close here. Okay, so that's all looking really good. So let's take a look here, a quick look here at the daily. Okay, your daily here, very, very nice today. Okay, just zoomed right up. This was you need to break out above that 2.87. Okay, did it right there very nicely. Next one is going to be this key right here, sitting at 3.02. And then this is going to be your target right here at 3.417. Now there's going to be resistance here all the way on up here, and I haven't posted it for you at the end of the video, but this is going to be your target level here, sitting at 3.41. And again, if you can get above here, then we look at your weekly, looking at 3.76. That would be your next target if you can get above this 200 SMA. Now, Nat Gas had a really good run here. You can see how many days that it had. Okay, so we got a good 5-day rally. Let's just see if we can carry that, because usually natural gas, when it runs. Okay, so, but I've been telling you now, you're not going to sit down at these levels here that long. It's the same like as the VIX. The VIX is not going to sit down at 12 very long before it's either going to blast up or blast down. But you can see how tight the pattern was getting here. And eventually, when it tightens up like this, and your price channels are moving up, that usually says that's going to blast off. And when she does, she goes really long. All right, I'll have more for you tomorrow on crude and oil and Nat Gas. It'll be just a little bit later, probably between the 9 and 10 o'clock area. I'll be back in the office by then. All right, thanks for watching.